All right. Good evening, guys. Yeah, one of you guys challenged me to make the design. Yes, this is a learning. I may not be able to finish it, but at least we'll reach. I'll teach you guys on how to go about it. Yeah, it's kind of dicey, yes, but it's achievable. Yes, it's achievable. So let's see how we can achieve this to some very extent. I'm not going to finish it, of course. This is how I do. Now, if you check the design very well, it has a grainy background. So I've already gone on Pinterest to search for white grainy background. Also, we make use of other grainy too on the text, which are black and orange. So I've already searched them here before: white grainy background, orange grainy background, and what's it called, black grainy background. So I've already gotten the resources already. So now for the background, which is white grainy background, I'm going to import the background now on the workspace. Just the same way we normally import. This is the white one, so I've imported it. So I will scale it up, then extend it all over my workspace. I'll extend all over my workspace so that I'll have it as my background. So I've done it, though I'll use my layers up here to move it down, and I will lock it. I'll lock it so that it's not be moving around. So I've already established that. If you check, the grain is not very visible on the design, so you can use opacity to reduce the intensity of that grain. Yeah, I think something like this is okay. So I can lock it back. Now let's import these two rather, from gallery. Let me import this guy. No, this one has background. I've already removed the background. Let me import the one that I've removed the background. Delete. Let me delete this one. Where is it? Where is delete now? From gallery. Okay, this is the guy. So we only need one out of it, which is this long one. Just go on Pinterest and search for what's it called? What's the name? Photoshop 2. So make sure it's at the center. I've taught you how to use relative position to make sure your this is centralized. Sorry, I made a mistake. Yeah, something like this. Let me just a little bit like this, and I can bring it towards there so that okay, and I will lock it so that it's not be moving around. So they have a write-up. Once I finish with this write-up and the pen inside, I think I'll be done with the design. The remaining one is quite easy to do. So designer, let me write text. The capital letter, I'll increase it. I want to work on this first, so before I bring the remaining write-up. Where is it? Then I'll go to font. Let's look for a font that can look like that. Let's check this. This doesn't look well. Let me check it on the where is it? It doesn't look very well. Let me make use of arm wrestler. It doesn't work very well. I don't have enough font here. I've giving you guys font to. I forgot to. Upload. Let's manage this, please. I don't have time because this my video will be heavy. It's Samsung, so you normally make this thing heavy. So now this one I will copy it. I will copy it to make two. Then I will edit this one. I will use sign. Sorry, designer. Design, yes. And I'll copy this one too and write the na. I will write okay. Now we have the 3 now. we have the 3, and then I think they are too big. Let's reduce it. Let me select them. I've taught you guys on how to select them like this. You can pick your pencil. Want to reduce the size. Okay, I can't really reduce the size this way. What should I do? Okay. Let me see if I can make use of this size tools. 301. This one too. Let's use 301 for it. Size 301. Then the D also 301. Alright, so now let's align them together. I've taught you guys on how to do the alignment. Please refer back to the earlier videos. Lock, please. Okay, I don't know this guy. Let's see. Yeah, I just manage it this way. I'm not doing perfection here. So now, this guy now, it has grainy black background. Grainy black background. So I'll click on it and go to my texture. Then I'll go to my gallery under the texture, and I downloaded one grainy. Oh dear. Permit me to go back to go and download it again. I don't want this video to get long. Black grainy background. I downloaded it. Maybe the thing didn't download or something. I don't know why. This is Pinterest anyway. We all know it. I'll look for perfect. The one that I like. The grainy kind of black that I like. This is why I hit on in my data when notification will allow you rest. Please permit me. No verse. I don't want to restart the video again. Let me try this one out. That's very cool. Okay, I think I can manage this. Let me download this. Have you downloaded, please? Okay. Let me off my data. Alright. Now I have it. So I need a very deep side. Then I cut it. Let's check it out. Sorry. Go back. No, I don't want that. Go to my texture again. I can't find texture. But this my video go long. Where's texture now? Okay. Delete. Okay, back. Let me pick this. Alright, click OK. Yeah, we can manage this anyway. So for the down one too, you do the same thing. So those right up at they have grains instead, and then for this middle one, you still use a texture, but this kind of shaded one. Yeah, you see what you achieve now? Yeah, I think they are looking the same. Yeah, the vibe and all of that, but I just manage it that way. And then the pencils, the S Pen, whatever it is, I'll import the one I downloaded. Where is it? From gallery. I downloaded this one and press OK. Alright, so let me double it. Let me lock some things first so that I'll not have a problem. Let me double this one. Copy. Then let me hide one first. Let me work with one. What happened? Okay, I'll read the size. Let me see what I'm working on. Then I will twist it this way. And then I will do it this way. But in this regard, in this one, the R is above that of the distance. So what you do is, let me increase this one again. You don't have to get everything perfectly, just get the concept. So I will now edit. Let me lock this guy, and then I will now pick this NR, whatever it is. Then let me see if I can edit it. Okay, I can edit it. No edit it, just double it. You copy it, so, and then you edit this copy. Sorry, I've not practiced on the design before, I'm just doing it now raw. Then you can now place it on this guy here. It's just matter of manipulation and all that. Make sure it's centralized. So in this regard now, the pen is now under the stuff. So when you're doing your work, you take your time to do it. This is just like a rush video. So this one now, I will open this one and then I will turn it opposite way, and I'll reduce the size. And then okay, the G, the font you are using also is not the same with what they use. I just pick any font. I only pick any font. So let me just do let me delete this pen. I need to delete this pen because it's not of the same size with the previous one I used. So let me delete it, and I will just copy this pen at the bottom. This guy here. I will copy. Yeah. So I will not have to increase the size again because I'm okay with the size I used previously. So then I will turn it. Where is it turning? Whatever. Okay, this is it. I'll turn it this way too. Do it this way. So it's under okay, just get the concept. Now let me bring this guy up above that pen. Sorry. So that it will be showing under the pen. Okay, let me lock it back, and then the same thing you did on lock the pen. Then the same thing you did on the R, you can lock this R. Then you come to this CIG, you unlock it, you copy it so that you can duplicate it. Copy, then you edit and leave the G alone. Okay, then you bring that G on top it. No, okay, the pen is even at the top of that guy, so you can just delete this one. Although it's not actually giving the vibe of this G actually, but I don't think you can do more on pixellab. Assuming it's on laptop design now, yeah, you can achieve it. So doing this one now, I believe the rest should be easy. So thank you.